Welcome to the AI Income Show, where AI meets opportunity. Discover the smartest tools and strategies to help you work less and earn more. Let's get started.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the AI Income Show. I'm Pavel Rain, and today we've got a fantastic discussion lined up. Base44 is everywhere right now. You've probably seen their ads or heard about how they're helping businesses automate with AI. But is it really the best no-code AI agent builder in 2025? Today we're diving deep into what Base44 does, who it's for, and whether it's worth your time and money. And joining me to help explain this is none other than Eric Suzuki, an expert in this space. Welcome back to the show, Eric.
Thanks for having me, Pavel. It's always a pleasure to chat about the exciting things happening in AI. And yes, Base44 is definitely creating waves in the industry. It's an interesting platform that's making AI accessible to non-coders, and I think it's worth discussing.
Absolutely, Eric. And for those who might be new to the platform, let's start with a quick overview of what Base44 is. Can you give us a rundown on why it's trending right now?
Of course. Base44 is essentially a no-code AI agent builder that allows businesses and individuals to create complex AI-driven workflows without needing to know how to code. It's designed to be user-friendly, which is why it's gaining popularity, especially among small to medium-sized businesses that want to leverage AI but don't have the resources to hire developers.
Right, that's a big selling point. I've tinkered with it a bit myself and found the interface really intuitive. How do you think it compares to other platforms like Nightnin or Zapier, especially for those who are not particularly tech-savvy?
Base44 is definitely on the simpler side when it comes to usability. Similar to tools like Zapier, it's all about connecting different applications and triggers. However, what sets Base44 apart is its AI-focused capabilities. It's designed to not only automate workflows but also embed AI functionalities seamlessly, which is perfect for businesses looking to integrate AI without diving deep into its complexities.
And that's key. Because AI can seem daunting, especially for small businesses that may not have a tech department. But speaking of the simplicity angle, let's talk a bit more about the no-code interface and ease of use. How does Base44 make AI accessible to folks who don't write code?
This is where Base44 shines. The platform uses a drag-and-drop system where users can visually lay out workflows. You add components by dragging blocks into the workspace and connecting them. For someone who's ever used tools like Canva or even something like Squarespace for website building, it's a similar concept. You're working in a visual environment, which lowers the barrier to entry significantly. You don't need to understand how the backend works. You just need to know what you want the AI to achieve.
That visual builder is a game changer, truly. Now, what about the features and integrations? Since we're diving deep today, let's unpack some of the elements that make Base44 stand out.
For sure. Base44 offers a rich set of features aimed at maximizing both functionality and flexibility. You have AI agent creation, where you can design agents to perform specific tasks. There's also workflow automation, connecting different apps through APIs. These integrations mean you can link Base44 with tools you're already using, CRM systems, email platforms, data analytics, and have them work in synergy. For example, automating lead generation tasks or scheduling social media posts based on analytics insights.
And crucially, for small businesses or solopreneurs, those integrations mean you're avoiding the silo effect. Everything works seamlessly together. Can you give us an example of how these features might be used in a real-world business setting?
Absolutely. Let's say you're running an e-commerce store. You could set up an AI agent to handle customer inquiries, providing tracking information or recommending products based on browsing history. You could integrate with your email marketing platform to automatically send targeted campaigns based on customer behavior. Revenue-wise, this level of automation can enhance customer experience without scaling your team, leading directly to increased sales.
That's a perfect example of leverage, using technology to enhance customer engagement without human intervention. But that brings us to an interesting point. Who would you say Base44 is best suited for?
In my experience, Base44 is ideal for small businesses, agencies, and individual entrepreneurs. Those who need to implement AI capabilities fast, without massive upfront investment or hiring expensive developers. It's also great for marketing agencies or freelance professionals looking to offer AI-powered solutions as part of their service package.
That makes a lot of sense. And in the AI world, where everything's moving so fast, having a tool that's easy to adopt is vital. Now, let's dive into what Base44 does exceptionally well. What are its strengths?
Its primary strength lies in its business-focused simplicity and the ability to integrate AI with regular business functions. Unlike some platforms that might feel clunky or over-technical, Base44 keeps things streamlined. The fast setup ensures you're not wasting time figuring out how to build your workflows, but rather instantly operationalizing your business's AI capabilities.
Streamlined is a great way to describe it. But, as with any tool, there are limitations. Where do you think Base44 might fall short when compared to open source platforms like Nightnan or developer frameworks like LangChain?
There are trade-offs. While Base44 excels in accessibility and ease of use, it doesn't offer the same level of customization or flexibility that a more developer-focused tool might provide. If you need deeply customized solutions or have very niche requirements, a framework like LangChain might serve better. Also, being a platform, it's dependent on their updates and ecosystem, whereas open-source solutions typically have a broader scope for innovation.
That's always the balancing act: simplicity versus flexibility. But turning our focus to monetization, what paths do you see for someone looking to use Base44 commercially? How can listeners use it as a way to generate income?
Great question. Firstly, businesses can use Base44 to streamline their operations, cutting down on manual work and improving efficiency, which directly influences the bottom line. Beyond that, there is potential for offering AI automation setup services. As a freelancer or agency, you could design, implement, and optimize workflows for other companies. You could also build specialized AI agents with Base44 and offer them as a service or even a subscription model.
That's some serious food for thought. And it aligns perfectly with what we discussed last time regarding AI-powered services as viable side hustles. Do you have any anecdotal evidence of someone successfully implementing this as a business service?
Absolutely. I know a small agency that transitioned into offering AI solutions purely through Base44. They focused on real estate clients, creating lead qualification agents that saved their clients hours of manual sorting. This pivot not only increased their agency's revenue but also set them apart in a competitive market. It's a great example of how leveraging the right tool can redefine your service offerings.
Stories like that are inspiring. Before we wrap up, Eric, any final thoughts for our listeners who are contemplating diving into Base44?
If you're serious about using AI to improve your business but you're intimidated by the technical depth involved, Base44 is the perfect start. It's still early days for this industry, and those who jump in now can capitalize on new opportunities before the market gets crowded.
Thank you, Eric, for sharing your insights. For our listeners, I've linked Base44 in the description below. Check it out and see if it's the right no-code AI agent builder for your business in 2025. As always, it's been a pleasure hosting today's episode, reminding everyone that harnessing AI doesn't have to be complex. With tools like Base44, the path to AI-driven success is more attainable than ever. Until next time, take care and explore the vast possibilities AI holds for income generation.
Thanks for joining the AI Income Show. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss the next AI-powered income opportunity. See you there.